I don't know what it's for.
I'm not gonna try it.
Do it.
You know, for as long as it's been here and my dad built it, I have no clue what it's for. I've never seen anything hang on it. It's just been there. I think it's made to do pull-ups. I can see the beams fucking bending down. Oh shit. Pew pew, motherfucker. Fuck. Got this.
That way people can't
Oh,
jump.
fuck. I got this. Ugh.
Let's
go,
open the
Tom.
window. It's so hot in here.
Oh. Ow. Fat, I can't do that, man. Yeah, I know. I was trying to get it over more.
Ready? Ready?
No.
Okay, I'm fine with that.
Dude, I want to kick you in the... Dude!
What are you gonna do?
Oh
What are you meaning?
no! Fuck! Splinters! Oh, fuck. Are you good?
I'm fine.
I fucking heard that. I heard this fucking wood splinter off.
Wait.
It's fine.
You sure?
Yeah. Let me see it. Let me see my wood.
No, that's okay.
Here, stop holding my wood. Okay, fine.
I'll do it all day.